Hello, I am Ashvin Beetul. I will present you on the assignment, second assignment for the immersive media design. So, um, the title is Beyond the Logo: Immersive Strategies for Branding in the Metaverse. So, first, let's see an introduction. So, in this course, we will explore how immersive technologies like augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, can transform education in the field of branding and identity design as a course. So, by integrating these technologies into our learning process, we aim to create more engaging and hands-on experiences for students. According to literature, we have seen that there are several benefits of using immersive technologies in education, and it ranges from increased motivation, satisfaction, critical thinking, engagement, enhanced memory, and there are some positive impact on learning outcomes, and just an overall performance on grades. Platforms that can be used in this context can be special.io. I've used that. I've used also Frame VR, and I've also used Engage VR. Engage is I have to install it, so it's an install software, but Special and Frame VR, they're web based. Another platform that can be used here in this context is Brandwidth VR for launching of virtual products and market simulations. Yet I should make it clear though that this is not graphic design or any direct 2D screen usage that will simply translate in 3D, but it is about simulating market environments and consumer behavior in real time through immersion. So this immersive approach then will allow students to simulate real world branding challenges, experiment with design elements, and receive here instant feedback in a virtual environment. So why immersify? Branding and identity design course as the one which has been selected in traditional settings often lacks the dynamic and experiential learning which are necessary for students to fully grasp the impact of design decisions. Immersive technologies then would allow the students to experience these branding strategies as a personal experience, and this is very important then for each and every one, and they can simulate market environments and consumer behavior in real time. And studies in fact have also shown that students learn more effectively through experiential and interactive and immersive environments. So this course will support these findings to bridge the gap between firstly let's say the theoretical part of learning and then the real world application. So that will be bridging the gap between these two. Then concerning learning outcomes, the students will be able to firstly define the key elements of brand identity and identify the elements also, and all these within immersive settings. And for all here, firstly the first one, it will relate to the Bloom taxonomy, which is remember and understand. Secondly, the students will be able to evaluate existing brand identities, that is assessing their effectiveness in specific cultures and countries, because we know that all countries differ, and then also all cultures will just differ also. So then the advertising experience and the strategies will of course differ. Then second one, for the evaluate one, for the rated Bloom taxonomy, it will relate to analyze and apply. The third one will be compare, that is you can compare different branding strategies in simulated market environment, that is you can justify the choice of design elements, that is compare them also to consumer behavior analysis and feedback. And I just mentioned that depending on the countries, Western like and let's say Asian like, it would be different even if it is the same brand, because there are some kind of restrictions in some specific countries. So the last one students will be able to design and present a comprehensive immersive virtual brand identity project as a whole, and that can be done in any kind of the virtual environment itself. So linking to the Bloom taxonomy, it will just be create. Concerning the learning activities, it will consist mainly to explore like immersive case studies, multinational companies, and for all these using immersive storytelling platforms within these kind of immersive environments. As a course overview, briefly, so the branding and identity design course will be divided into 8 key units as subunits, and each of these will include immersive elements that enhance the learning experience, from the basic, let's say, foundation concept to the global brand management and effects in branding. Each of these units is designed to give students a comprehensive understanding of the branding in context of visual communication. So the course will then span on 30 hours of study, and focusing also on developing practical skills through AR and VR tools. Then concerning the subunits, it will be on foundation of branding and identity, visual elements and brand identity, branding across cultures, storytelling in branding, digital branding and social media, branding and consumer behavior, global brand management, ethics, and branding. So as a synopsis, let's say in conclusion, so the immersive redesign of the branding and identity design course firstly will be guided by the Lorillard conventional framework, and the learning outcomes have been worked out based on the revised Bloom taxonomy. So the course moves beyond traditional teaching methods, and it will offer students a hands-on, immersive, and interactive environment where they can apply their knowledge in a real-world scenario, and that aims to bridge the gap, as I mentioned, between the theoretical knowledge and practical application. So this immersion of the course, it transforms then the key branding and identity concepts, engaging 3D and exponential task. Just instead of simply reading about cultural branding differences, a student can step into virtual markets and see how grading strategies perform in various cultural contexts. As I have one example given in the report concerning, like, let's say, the Dove skincare. It can be different, of course, when we apply that in the Western culture and the Asian culture especially for some, let's say, Muslim cultures, because they are, it's prohibited to show the skin. So the strategies then will of course be different, and the concepts will be different, the adverts will be different, the visual will be different, and the branding itself and identities will be different. So all cultures and those advertising concept and all these branding will be different for different countries. So through the use of the AR and VR technologies, students will engage in hands-on learning experiences that simulate real-world branding challenges. And as will be in that, for example, special.io Metaverse platform, the students can then discuss with other industry leaders, industry experts from other countries, and also, let's say, in collaboration with other students from another university. So this innovative approach then will not only enhance student engagement, but also prepare them for the future of branding, where immersive technologies will play, in fact, an important role in shaping consumer experiences. So thank you very much.